Hi guys, my name is Amanuddin. Today we're gonna tell you about computer training market. First thing first, do you know about PC? PC is means from a personal computer. Personal computer have two types, which is a desktop and laptop. As we know, a function of PCs is usually to do a work, do assignment, playing games, streaming video, or sharing information. So, how we gonna know more details how to choose a good PC? Don't worry, my friends will help you how to choose a good PC.
Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Ahya bin Sapawadi and my number matric is 14DTK23F1080. Okay, today I want to tell you about top 5 computer brands. Okay, for example, Acer, HP, Asus, Dell and Apple. Okay, now I will explain why this brand is good. Okay, for the first, Acer. Acer makes good and affordable computer that are great for students and gamers. Second, HP. HP is known for making strong and stylish computers for home and work. Okay, third, Asus. Asus is popular for its fast laptops and gaming computers that people love. Okay, next, Dell. Dell makes computers with many options, from cheap laptops or to fancy ones. For the last, Apple. Apple is famous for its easy to use and stylish Mac that work well with other Apple gadgets. Next, I will tell you about advantage of laptop. There are few advantages that you can get. Okay, for example, laptop is portability. Second, space saving, integrate component, energy efficient, wireless connectivity. Okay, I will explain the advantage. Okay, first, the biggest advantage of a laptop is that you can carry it anywhere because laptop is light and easy to take with you. Okay, for second advantage is space saving. Laptop is save space because they don't need to spread monitor, keyboard or mouse. Everything is in one device, making them great for small room. For third, integrate component. Laptop have a built-in part like battery, camera, microphone and speaker, so you don't need to bring extra gadget. Okay, next, laptop also energy efficient. Laptop use less power than desktop, which help you to save electricity and reduce heat. For last, wireless connectivity. Laptop have built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, make it easy to connect to internet and another device via wires.
Okay, now I want to talk about the best processor, general purpose and gaming. First, AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D. The processor offers excellent gaming performance due to its large cache, while also being efficient and versatile for general purpose tasks. Second, Intel Core i7 13700K. The processor provides a strong balance between gaming performance and general multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for users who need versatility. Number 3, AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. If you are looking for a powerhouse that can handle gaming and heavy workloads like content creation, the processor is one of the best choice. Number 4, Intel Core i5 13600K. The processor is an excellent mid-range option that offers strong gaming performance at a more affordable price, making it ideal for budget gaming. Number 5, AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. The processor offers solid performance for general use and gaming at a lower cost, making it a good choice for those who don't need the absolute best but still want great performance. Now we go to the next part. Tools to check and display computer performance. Number 1. Task Manager. Task Manager provide real-time information about CPU, memory, disk and network usage. So, Task Manager useful for monitoring system performance and identify resource-hungry application. Number 2, CPU-Z. CPU-Z provide detailed information about the processor including clock speed, core count, cache size and more. CPU-Z ideal for checking CPU detail and ensuring each operating as expected. Number 3 is user benchmark. The purpose is runs a series of tests to evaluate the overall performance of the CPU, GPU, storage and memory. The benchmark generate a performance report and compare it against other system, giving a clear picture of how your computer stack up.
The next part is RAM capacity. My name is Muhammad Ajmal and I am going to talk about RAM capacity. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM have 4 common size: 8GB, 16GB, 32GB and 64GB or more. 8GB is for entry level, suitable for basic tasks like web browsing, word processing and light multitasking. 16GB for the standard for most users today, providing enough memory for gaming, professional applications, in example, photo, video editing, and heavy multitasking. Next, 32GB for power users, professionals and gamers who run resource-intensive application, virtual machine. 64GB or more, typically used in high-end workstations for tasks like 3D rendering, large-scale data processing and complex simulation. Next is disk drive capacity. There is 2 types of disk drive. First is HDD, stand for hard disk drive, and the next one is SSD, stand for solid state drive. Hard disk drive have 1 to 4 terabyte, is for common in desktop, ideal for storing large files like video, game and backups. And the 2 terabyte one, often in gaming PCs, preferred to large capacity over speed. Next one is SSD. 256GB is for entry level, typical in budget laptops, good for OS and a few apps. Next one is 512GB to 1 terabyte, standard for most user, balancing speed and capacity. 2 terabyte and more for enthusiasts and professionals needing fast, ample storage for large files and games. So, in conclusion, brands in Malaysia offer strong customer support and a range of models for various budgets. Desktop excel in performance, upgradability, and cost, making them ideal for gaming and intensive tasks. For high-end performance, the AMD Ryzen 7 and Intel Core i7 are the top choices. Budget-friendly options include the Intel Core i5 and AMD Ryzen 5. Processor performance measured by tools like Task Manager and Cinebench impact task efficiency. Adequate RAM and a fast disk drive are crucial for multitasking, data access, and overall system performance. That's all from us. Thank you for listening and see you soon. Bye bye.